Do you want to play Call of Duty Warzone on your Windows PC for free? I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to do. Simply open up your browser, guys. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Open up your browser and go to callofduty.com, right? Or you can just simply open up your browser, type in Google Call of Duty Warzone download, look for the Call of Duty website, and you can download it for free. So it's really easy. So one way, go over to callofduty.com or simple type in Call of Duty Warzone download on Google. Look for the Call of Duty website where you have it. It's going to take you right over to this page here. Or if you're on the Call of Duty website, just click games and you'll find COD Warzone. It will take you right over to this page here. Now from here, guys, I want to recommend a few options. I think right now at this current time, if you go to Steam, it is not yet there. It would be saying it should be saying coming soon. Let me go ahead and check. If you have Steam account, you can check on Steam. But if you look here on Steam, let me go back to, let's see, the featured page, right? And if I type in Call of Duty, and I type Warzone and hit enter, it should show maybe that it's not yet there or something like that. So you'll be able to search for Call of Duty. Let me just make sure that my spelling is correct here. Call of Duty Warzone. As you can see here, Call of Duty. And here in Steam, as you see, you can easily find it. So you want to go ahead and ensure that your date of birth is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and just enter the correct date of birth here so that I'm able to get access to this. Then click on view page, and here you can see that on Steam it is showing here. And if you scroll down, you see where it says in library you can play it now. You can get it on Steam, right? So if I head over to Steam, I can play it now. I can get it here, and as you can see here, it's going to allow me to install it on my PC. So you can easily play it for free. As you can see, it's going to require 357 gigabytes on your computer, and all you have to do is install it, right? So that's what it's required from Steam. So if you have Steam, you can easily find it on Steam and so forth. Now, if you also have a battle.net account, you can easily get this as well. All you have to do to get that is simple. Click on the Battle.net website and you can easily go ahead and download Battle.net and create an account. As you can see, quickly download there, go through the installation process, and once it's installed on your computer, guys, you will have the Battle.net account there so that you can quickly open. So I'm going to open up Battle.net right here, and if you don't have an account, guys, you can easily sign in with your Gmail or Facebook or whichever account that you have. No, I'm going to quickly sign in here because I have an account. So I'm going to quickly sign in with my Gmail here. And you're going to see that it's quickly open up your browser, sign you in. And if you open up the Battle.net app again, you're going to see that it's going to sign you right into battle.net. And once you're inside battle.net, guys, you have few featured games here at the top. So if you even click on Call of Duty there, you will see that it shows the Warzone here, and you can see install Call of Duty Warzone, right? All you have to do from here is just simply click play for free, and it's going to give you a pop-up here and basically say, okay, you can change location, you need to have the required amount of size available memory on your computer, and you can see here that even the space here is requiring less. So all you have to do is just simply click and continue from here, choose what you want to install. As you can see, there's Warzone 2022. Click on start install, and it's going to start install on your PC. Just wait for this to complete, guys. You can easily play through battle.net application on your PC, and you can just play Call of Duty Warzone from your PC. And that's it.